this is Cheyenne with the Business Master Suite. I am jumping in so I can show you guys when you are choosing a business name, make sure that you are going into your Secretary of State website. All right, North Carolina, Secretary of State. And you want to go in here and just check and make sure that that name has not been already taken, especially if you are registering or planning to register your business on the state level. All right, this is the Secretary of State website for North Carolina. Business registrations, search business entities. Okay, so company by name and exact match. And for this example, we're going to do Calling Solutions LLC. Search. All right, this one is dissolved as an LLC, and this one is active and it is an incorporation. Okay, now even if you're doing an LLC, even if there's one that's incorporated, you do not want to use this name because in case in the future you wanted to make it incorporated or move it, you would not be able to. Also, if there's another company under this name, then it'll be hard for you, like it'll be more than direct competition. It's kind of like the same name. So you could be facing some penalties and things like that. So just to avoid it, you want to kind of refrain from using this name in particular. Okay, so once again, you Google Secretary of State for your state, and then you just right on the home screen, especially, well, for the North Carolina one, I can tell you. You go to business registration right here, search business entities, and then you can search for exact match, because if this is the name that you want for your business, then you want it to be the exact match to make sure it's not, no one else has that name. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Like, subscribe, and follow today. Business Master Suite will show you the way. One suite, one solution, unlimited growth. Building your business from coast to coast.